Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, and welcome back to the show. My name is Michael Lyons, and we're doing the live stream. Mostly just want to check the audio and the pictures for the big Zoom meeting that's coming up next Tuesday. I knew a man Bojangles and he danced for you in worn out shoes, silver hair, ragged pants, and baggy pants. The old soft shoe, he jumped so high, and lightly touched down. All right, so that's what the guitar sounds like, and this is what my voice sounds like. Um, maybe I'll put on Nanaboozhoo as we wait for people to file in. You want to go on live, Nanaboozhoo? Do I want to go on live? You know I do. Oh, what? Okay, la di da di, okay. How you doing, everybody? Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, and welcome back to the show. This is the Nanaboozhoo live stream. It is the live stream early on a Thursday? On a Thursday morning, 6:16 a.m. in northern Minnesota. Yesterday it was 17 degrees. I went outside and oh wow, it's just cold. So today, I thought let's see, what should our Ojibwe word of the day be? Hallelujah, hallelujah. I want to start with just a little prayer. It is good to during these times. Why does everything got to start with during these times? Like when is it not these times? But I like to sometimes say a little prayer to the Great Spirit before I start my podcast. And so I like to pray in Ojibwe. And so I'll pray in Ojibwe and then tell you what I said in English. Get Chimanadu, Great Spirit. To God we do kawishin. Please help me. To God we do kawishin. Ekadom in away nungum. Please help me to speak well today. Miigwech. Ga iji ke ga ke gu nungum. I'm sorry. Miigwech ga iji chike ga. How do I say that? Hold on. Miigwech ga iji ga kina gegu ga iji chike nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. For whatever, however you're living in my life. Thank you for what you do. Miigwech ga iji gijaguk. Thank you for this day. And miigwech ga iji bimadaziyan. Bimadaziyan. Thank you. Thank you for my life. Start with that. Not much else happens without my life. So you got to be grateful. Ni miigwechi wendam. I am grateful. November is the the Thanksgiving month. And maybe I'll talk about what the Thanksgiving story is. That's pretty funny too. But it's the month to I think I heard it was also Indigenous Peoples Month now. I don't know, guess we got a whole month. But you got to think about what you're grateful for. And I was telling some kids the other day, if you have anxiety, if you're worried all the time, you can't fall asleep, and then you're all like, oh, geez, what if this bad thing always happens? Sometimes creative people can really become worriers because they're like, they can envision in their mind so many things that can go wrong. And but so I was saying, if you want to not worry about the future, you got to start writing down things you're grateful for. And it's okay to be grateful for silly things if it's true. Like, say you got a nice bike, say, hey, I'm grateful I have a nice bike. Let's say you got really nice hair. You know what? I'm really grateful I haven't gone bald. Uh, you know, just start listing everything. I'm grateful that I'm healthy. I'm grateful I'm not fat. I'm grateful I'm not addicted to methamphetamine. I'm grateful that I'm not, in jail. I'm grateful that I'm not being fired from a job. I'm grateful that I don't need to look for a job today. I'm grateful that I was able to pay my rent. I'm grateful that I can see. I'm grateful that I can hear. I'm grateful that I learned how to play the guitar. you know, just start listing everything that you think is a good, something you're grateful for. Because what the elders tell us is that you can either have worry or gratitude. You can only have one at a time. And so you'll notice, like, a buddy of mine was telling me that he was in a really bad car accident, and everything worked in his Jeep. The airbags, it was like he felt angel wings around him, blocking tools and stuff from not hitting him. And he got out of the car, and his car was just totaled, and he was unscratched. And he goes, "Yeah, I didn't even mind. I didn't even care that I was late for my whatever. I didn't even care that my car got totaled. I was so grateful that I didn't get hurt. It's like, yeah, whatever. Nothing else matters. This could have been way worse." So you can either be grateful or you can have anxiety. So just choose. Which one do you want to have? Get good at being grateful. Um, I heard somebody say once, the beauty of thought prisons is that you're the prisoner and the jailer. You can open the door anytime. You're the one who's trapped in your thoughts. And so depression, they say that, depression and anxiety are two sides of the same coin. Depression is you can't stop thinking about the past. Oh, geez, a bad thing really happened. Oh, I'm such a victim. Oh, I was so bullied. That's why I overeat now. My father left me, so now I have a drinking problem, whatever. Depression is, you can't let go of the past, man. You're living in the past. And so they say, if you want to get rid of the depression, same thing. Start writing down all the things you're grateful for. Like, oh, wow, I'm really grateful that, I never got arrested. And then you start going, well, I guess I made some right decisions by not drinking and driving or whatever. You know, all the bad things that could have happened that didn't happen. Sometimes you got to give yourself a pat on the back. Hey, you really dodged that bullet. you know, can't believe you almost whatever. All the times you didn't get the girl, and then 10 years go by and you see her and you're like, oh, what happened? um, you got to be grateful. And if you're grateful for anything in the present, then you got to cut some slack. It's your past that got you here. So You can either be depressed or grateful. If you take everything for granted, oh, geez, life could have been so much better. Uh, then you're gonna look in the past and go, "Oh, you dummy! You made all the wrong decisions." But let's live in the past. I am grateful. So then when you're done praying, I mentioned this the other day, there's an expression, Miu Minik. That's enough. Miu Minik. I'm done. Lots of times in a sweat lodge or a drum or something, the last thing the guys will say is Miu Minik. But you can say Miu Minik. Miigwech Bizin Dawieg. Thank you for listening. Because that's the best you can really hope for. When you pray, Gichimanadu will listen. It doesn't mean he's just going to grant you wishes. You're not just going to magically, make the Vikings win. You may not grant, you'll be like, no, man, I'm not going to grant your wish. I know you think you want to have you want to be rich and famous. You want to have a swimsuit model wife. I can't grant that wish because that would be, going against somebody else's wish. She don't want to be married to you. Anyway, so yeah, this is the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo live stream, and I am Nanaboozhoo. Getting deep, talking about how to overcome depression and anxiety through gratitude. We got you and them. Let's see. Gitanimo and Indoin. Gitanimo, pride. Is it okay to have pride? There's really popular t-shirts every reservation sells at the gas station that say, Native pride. Are you proud to be Native? You better be. Or we'll shame you. You got to be proud to be Native. Well, what if they sold white pride shirts? You can't do that. It's got too much historical baggage. Can you have Norwegian pride? Irish and proud. Kiss me, I'm Irish. I guess you can. People have pride in their ethnicity. But it's like, why have pride in something you had nothing to do with? Oh, I'm so proud that I was born this way because I chose to be born to these parents. You should take pride in stuff you do. Oh, I learned how to play the guitar. I'm proud. And I'm proud to be an American. Well, you really had no choice. You just happened to be born in America. You're proud. Don't be proud of stuff you had nothing to do with. Oh, I'm proud that, this is the problem with my parents' generation. They're baby boomers. And they're proud in the fact that we went to the moon and we landed a man on the moon. And you tell them, yeah, you guys, they didn't really do that. What, you never heard of the TV lying to you? That was a publicity stunt. It was a government. It's nonsense. They didn't do it. There's no evidence. But they're like, how dare you? We did that. We, the baby boomers. It's like, you didn't do anything. Why do you guys keep taking pride? Oh, I'm so proud. My team won the Super Bowl. No, you don't get to take pride in that. You didn't have nothing to do with it. Thanks. Oka, hey, la, la, la. Gee, Miigwech for teaching younger brother. Be grateful for you. Yeah, hey, Miigwech. I don't mean to, come across as all preachy and everything, But I'm starting to get to that age. I'm a great uncle. Not even a good uncle. Like my brother is a grandparent. So I think since I'm part of that generation, I can start calling myself an elder. Start telling the kids what to think. I don't know. Miigwech If you ever see an eagle, sometimes that's kind of like the Great Spirit giving you a wink. So you just kind of look at them. Don't point at them. If you have to point out an eagle, you just point with your lips. Like, hey, Ninja, check it out. Migazi, eagle. And let's see, yeah. So that's and then just say, Miigwech. Thank you, Great Spirit. Thank you for just sort of reminding me that as an Ojibwe, Jipe spirit, we are the breathing spirits. That's what Ojibwe kind of means. People say, "Oh, it means puckered toe." No, it don't. I don't know what that is. But Jipe is like your soul, your spirit. I mean, a Manadu gives a spirit, but your soul, like a human spirit. The word Ojibwe is kind of like a spirit who breathes, who exists with a body, you know. We are spirits in a material world, our spirits. La di di da da da. So that is Ojibwe. We're the breathing spirits. And so with that, I think I'm gonna sign out. I just I want to say miigwech for you watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo. This is Michael Lyons, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, min, minoa, hawa. Can you shut this off for me? I don't know how to stop the live stream from the phone. Are you sure you want to stop streaming? Okay.